Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Sir Mahdi. So in this video, do you know what we are gonna learn? We are gonna learn a new topic in our series, okay? And I think you all will enjoy this very much, and you can see on the board right now what we are gonna learn. So don't delay, let's get started. Now you can see on the board what is our topic. So our topic is divisibility rules. So you can see, I think you know what is divisibility rules. First of all, I'm saying you what is divisibility mainly. Divisibility means just like you know that I'm saying you. Can you tell me 769 is it divisible by 2? So what will you say? Will you divide? This number with 2? Then we will see is it divisible by 2 or not. No, you won't have you won't have enough time to do this. Suppose I'm giving you can you determine this 51,869. So you will have so many times to determine is it really divisible by 2 or not. But if you know the formula of divisibility, so you can solve very easily. Okay, so first of all, we can see what is this rule. This rule is divisibility for 2. So there are so many numbers which we for divisibility. Anyway, that's not a thing. But first of all, you have to know, you know that every numbers is divisible by 1. So 1 does not matter. That's a different thing. But 2 is our important thing. So it is very common thing. You know that. What is the rule? You can see I wrote the rule in green box, and here in the blue box I wrote here which for which rule, and you can see this is the title. Anyway, so for rule 2, what is this? This is a number is divisible by 2 if its last digits is even. So what did you understand? Suppose I'm writing a number, just like here I'm writing a number 108. Is it divisible by 2? Of course. Why? Because if by divisible by 2, if its last digit is even, how will I identify last is what is our last digit here? This is our last digit. If this is even, so that is divisible by 2. Like this, you can see 2 0 2 4 6 8. These are even number. So if out of these are set in the last or this place, so that is divisible by 2. So this is a very common thing, divisible by 2. But we're gonna learn another. So mainly today we will learn 3. So this is for 2, and we will learn also for 3, and then we will learn for 5. So this is the most basic things. That's why I kept it here in this video. So let's see for 3. You can see now rule for 3. What is our rule for 3? Okay, let's read the rule first. Okay, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. What did you understand? I think this is not clear for you yet. Just like I'm here writing here a number 734. This is a number. So here divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits, that means the summation of these digits, just like here you can write in this way 7 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, in this way what will be this? What can you see? This will be 10 and 14. This is the sum of these digits. So if the sum is divisible by 3, the 14 is the sum. If this is divisible by 3, so the whole number is divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 3? The 14? No, this is not divisible by 3. So that means the whole 734, this number is not divisible by 3. So I think you understood about this, how to solve, how we can identify is it really divisible by 3 or it is not divisible by 3. So you have to memorize. Of course, you have to memorize. This is very, very important. I am saying here star because this is very, very important thing. You must memorize these rules. 2 is very common thing. You can identify and you can memorize. You can remember this every time. But you have to also know for 3 and oh sorry 3 and also some of the most important things which I will show you step by step. You have to memorize those, you have to remember those for every time because you must need it most of the place. Anyway, so let's see what about 5. Now we are for 5. What is rule for 5? What is 5? Let's see. uh, a number is divisible by 5 if it ends with 0 or 5. Very common thing, isn't it? I think you know about this. You can identify is it divisible by 5 or it is not divisible by 5. I think you can identify, but you have to also memorize this rule. Of course, you have to remember, not memorize like fully. If you can remember, that's enough because you have to apply this in mathematics. Okay. Anyway, so let's see an example. Like I'm writing here 1025. Is it divisible by 5? Of course, yes. Because you can see here the last digit or the last digit of the number is 5. Okay, so this is 5, and we listened or we read from this rule, that is if it ends with 0 and 5, so this is ends with 5. But if I look for this example, like 726, is it divisible by 5? No, this is not divisible by 5 because this ends with 6, not 5, so or 0. So this is very, very easy. I think you all enjoyed this very much. And these are just for 2, 3, and 5. But in the next time, I will show you many, many important things which you need most of the time, because this is very, very important. You must memorize this, you must remember this every time to solve any types of problem. So I think you all enjoyed this very much. So that's all for today. In the next class I will show you more examples, more divisibility rules. So today I want to end it here. So I think you all enjoyed this very much. So that's why you, of course, make sure to share these videos to your friends and hit a like. And if you how was your feel, so of course write that in the comment box. So that's it for today. Allah Hafiz.